My name is John Habercorn. I'm a hoisting instructor out here at Local 324's Joint Apprenticeship Training Facility. I've been out here for 2.5 years. I came from the field with approximately 25 years of craning, hoisting, rigging experience. Had a great opportunity to come out and work with the future of our trade, and we're really excited to have our new Link-Belt 298 crawler crane to add to our fleet. So at our facility, which is 555 acres, we have approximately 80,000 training hours per year. We currently have 400 apprentices on our books, and we have 100 of them which are hoisting apprentices. We have a split apprenticeship out here, so our 100 apprentices go through a 3-year program. They need to have 6,000 hours of work-related experience, and they have 200 hours per year of training. Part of our training out here is a lot of hands-on training with our cranes, and we have different situations out here, scenarios. We have a raising gang structure, which you see out in the back here, where we'll work jointly with the iron workers using our new 298. We have some setups in the back with the carpenters where we do poured walls. The rod busters are in there doing the reinforcement. We do pile driving and all other aspects of crane work. We clam, drag line. We have everything out here for our apprentices to be taught and be job site ready for our contractors. So we started the process of getting our Link-Belt 298 approximately a year ago from right now. We went through several different choices. We looked at some Manitowocks. We looked at a smaller Link-Belt 218, and just what fit our training center was the 298. With the luffing attachment, it's so great to train to. There are getting to be a lot of cranes with luffer attachments on them. It was a stipulation by our board to get a crane with a luffing attachment, and with the charts and the trainability of this crane, it was definitely the best fit for us. So with the 298, as you see, we have it configured with a main boom fixed jib configuration and partial counterweight. We can rearrange this crane in basically infinite configurations, which hence out to our contractors on the job sites translate right to slip seating into the crane from training perspective to hoisting opportunities out there for our trainees. In this region, Link-Belt is one of the preferred cranes. I know of 3 of them in the state right now, 298s, and there's hundreds of the smaller, little bit less capacity crawlers out there in our region, so it's a very good training tool for that aspect. With this 298, we were super excited with the technologies that are coming out with this crane, with the combo top boom system now, the ease of assembly, the safety of it with the walkway on the boom. A lot of operations with assembly disassembly are done on the ground now, where prior to there was elevations involved. The addition to the reeving winch and just the assembly process makes it a very, very good crane to teach to, along with the performance and the capacity of this crane for training aspects, because it's the reason we bought this crane. One of the big ones is that the candidates our future operators cannot get in sideways or get in trouble with this crane in capacity where it would cause a safety issue or a possible collapse or anything. The crane is just absolutely sound. So when the crane arrived on site, Columbus Equipment brought out 2 technicians, Chuck and Steve. We started right out with them from boxes and pieces on trucks to a complete finished unit. It was an awesome experience working with them. They were very professional and showed their expertise on these cranes to not only put them together, but to get them programmed, make everything, all the adjustments, and it was just a seamless process. We've had a couple small technical issues because of this crane's newness, and they followed through on everything so that we've asked of them. So they couldn't ask for anything better.